Next question. The wind blowing in the northern plains in summer is known as Kalboishakhi. Option B, Lu. Option C, Vedwinds. And option D, none of the above. The right option is option B, Lu. The Lu is a strong, dusty, gusty, hot, and dry summer wind from the west that blows across the North India and Pakistan's Indo-Gangetic plain. It is pretty powerful in May and June. Due to the extremely high temperatures, exposure frequently results in fatal heat strokes. Lu causes the fatal heat strokes.
You can get all the notes from our website. So go to skillyogi.org. The link is in the description below, and you can easily get NCERT CBSE quick notes and question bank for yourself. You can buy the book from Amazon or Flipkart, or you can download the PDF for easy learning. So go to our website skillyogi.org and order today. The link is given in the description below.